Now, what about selection of different things? It's always unusual to me that, of course, candles always work well, but I guess it's a lot to do with personality of the folks that live in the house in terms of the different things that you may choose. How do you go about that?
Well, you want to find out what the homeowner really enjoys having around them. For example, this particular client loves to collect boxes, and these are boxes they've collected from around the world. You can see they're old and they have character. So something like this may not appeal to you in your house if you're not a box collector. So it depends on what the person who lives here enjoys. Obviously, this client loves plants.
Right.
He has a green thumb, and they really enjoy having plants everywhere. Plants are an inexpensive and really great way to accessorize a room, and it cleans the oxygen, which is a nice bonus.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, of course, family pictures are always great. And I know, you know, various areas of the room, people can overdo that a lot though too. You know, you start putting pictures and stacking one behind the other, and after a while that can really be a big cluttered place.
That's true, that's true. And the big thing with pictures in a space is you don't ever want to see the back of the frame.
Right.
So as you enter the room from either direction, make sure that wherever you've placed that picture, someone isn't walking in looking at the back of it.